How to sync your phone contacts with your Twitter account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts with your Twitter account easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy right here, and choose the privacy and safety option, and go down and choose discoverability and contacts. Click on it. Now here you will find the contacts option. You can sync from here or deny if you want. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. See you later.